This video begins at the edge of a beautiful lake where Ami and her lovely daughter Rin-chan are sitting in their small wooden boat. The soft light of the sun is spreading on the water, forming gentle waves. Both are sitting in the boat, gently scooping the water with their hands, slowly moving towards the deeper part of the lake. There, all around, open lotus flowers, green leaves, and a peaceful environment are creating a dreamlike scene. Arriving there, Ami net is taken to catch fresh hairy crabs from the lotus pond. Each crab comes with its shiny orange eggs, which will later be used to make a special sauce. Daughter Reen-chan smiles at the little things and works with her mother, as if it were a festival. Then the video shows them carefully preparing the crabs, cleaning them, and mixing them in a large pot with fragrant spices, butter, and cream to prepare the golden crab roe sauce, a sauce that is not only deep in flavor, but also looks golden. Beside a serene, sun-kissed lake, Ami and Reen-chan fish, the calm water shimmering. Rainbow trout glisten as they're caught, their knives moving with practiced grace. Soft sounds fill the air. Water splashes, fire crackles, knives click, creating a tranquil moment. Ami and Reen-chan tend to the trout grilling over the fire, smoke curling into the clear lakeside air. The aroma of cooking fish mingles with the scent of pine, creating a symphony of simple, natural pleasures. Quiet smiles pass between them, reflecting the serene beauty of their peaceful companionship by the lake. As dusk descends on the lakeside, a blazing fire pit lights up a feast of king crab and garlic lobster. Ami, Reen-chan, and friends gather, lanterns casting a cozy glow on their faces as laughter fills the air. They celebrate friendship, sharing seafood cooked in bamboo tubes, savoring nature's bounty under the evening sky.